In 2024, if you are looking to boost your programming skills, here are the top 5 languages to consider. First up, Python. Its simplicity and versatility make it perfect for everything from web development to data science. Next, we have JavaScript. With the rise of interactive web applications, mastering JavaScript is essential for any aspiring developer. Third on the list is Rust. Known for its performance and safety, Rust is gaining traction in systems programming and is a fantastic choice if you want to build reliable software. Fourth, we can't overlook Go. Its efficiency and ease of use make it a favorite for cloud services and microservices architecture. Finally, TypeScript is a must-learn for anyone working with JavaScript. It adds static typing, making your code more robust and easier to maintain. So, whether you are a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these 5 languages will keep you ahead in the tech game this year.